Greetings. I welcome you all to this video session. So here I would like to focus Unit 3. So actually as far as Unit 3 is concerned, it focuses engineering as experimentation, engineers as responsible experimenters, code of ethics and a balanced outlook on law. So engineering as a social experimentation is the topic. So I would like to focus only MCQ questions, possible MCQ questions I am focusing. So my dear students, please follow the concept and you can understand, okay, that is important, the keywords and all. As far as this unit is concerned, it's a very simple and a small concepts so you can understand. The first question is the requirements of valid consent are. Okay, the requirements of valid consent. The word keyword valid consent is very important. The valid consent means, so that is if you wanted to refer, if you wanted any doubt, if you have any doubt, you wanted to refer expertise. That's a very important. That is called valid consent. So as far as the first point is concerned, the person must be legally competent. Yeah, correct. So he is a valid consent guy. And the second point is there must be no dues or coercion. That also correct. Third one is sufficient information must have been given. That's also correct because expertise will always will give sufficient information. So as far as the first question is concerned, the last is the answer. All the above options are correct. Okay, so that is called valid consent. So very important question I consider. So please focus. And the second question is, what do you mean by experimentation? Experimentation refers test under controlled conditions to demonstrate a known truth, and not only that, to examine the hypothesis. So this is the proper definition for experimentation. So experimentation refers test under controlled conditions to demonstrate a known truth and to examine the hypothesis. From the hypothesis we can derive a new result also. So as far as this question is concerned, this is the correct answer. And the third one, okay, it is an application of science and maths concerned with the design, building, machines and structures. What is this? Okay, so third question, it is an application of science and maths concerned with the design, building, machines and structures. So it is called engineering. Okay, technology also can refer, but the technology focuses only the technique ideas, so models, schemes, whereas engineering apply technology and design a product. That's the reason why, okay, science and maths concerned with the design, building, machines and structures. So that I have selected second answer, that is engineering. And the fourth question, design iterative process consists of. So it's a very important one. So the experimentation, this is the third unit and this is the core part. Design iterative process consists of, what are the things? Most probably design should come, fabrication should come and prototype is required, pilot plant also required, okay, okay, and manufacturing also required. So all the questions answers and all correct, so that we can select all above all. Okay, so design iterative process consists of design, fabrication, prototype, pilot plant and manufacturing. Okay, so it's the fourth question answer. Most probably we can expect this question or this pattern. And the fifth question, so experimental control refers. What do you mean by experimental control? Making different groups. For example, for testing, we wanted a group, okay, different groups. So making different groups and making different policies. Okay, the policies means a special treatment to validate whether our methodology, our model is performing well or not. So for the purpose, making different groups, making different policies, that is called special treatment, and test at the same environment. The word is very important. So environment should not be changed. If you are changing environment, you wanted to re-demonstrate the model. Okay, so that is validation purpose. You wanted to retain the same environment. So experimental control refers the first answer. This is the correct. Making different groups and making different policies and test at the same environment. For confusing you, same type of statement may be given, but see here at the different environment given. So second is not a correct answer. So please understand. Okay. Next one is sixth question. So informed consent. Okay. So here informed consent is what? Okay. Recognized moral rights. Okay. Second one is recognizing a legal rights. Okay. And both are the correct for informed consent. That's the reason why we can select both the above. So that is informed consent refers recognizing moral rights as well as legal rights. Okay. And the seventh question, two elements of informed consents are informed consents are, see, one is knowledge and other one is voluntariness. So that is both are the correct. Okay, so I selected third, both above. Isn't it? Two elements of informed consents are knowledge and voluntariness. Okay. And the eighth question, so valid informed consent refers the consent must be given voluntarily and not by any force. That's a very important one, because valid informed consent, okay, is refers voluntarily, okay, wanted to give consent. Okay, that is a consent must be given voluntarily and not by any force. This is the correct answer. Okay, for confusing you, okay, second answer also, consent must be given as per the order. Okay, both the words seems to be correct, but carefully select the answer. The first is the correct answer. And knowledge gain refers. So what do you mean by knowledge gain? So knowledge gain means it is doing scientific experiments. So from the scientific experiments, we can gain some knowledge, gain some new knowledge, because observation and the experience. So scientific experiments have been conducted to acquire new knowledge. So scientific experiment is a keyword. Please, knowledge gain refers scientific experiments which give you new knowledge. So other what is called option also, their engineering projects are conducted for new knowledge. That also possible. But engineering projects, you want to get new knowledge. Existing models you will demonstrate and you will understand the concepts. Scientific experiments is required, okay, to gain the new knowledge. So the first is the correct answer. And the 10th question, okay, a primary duty is to protect the safety of human beings and respect the rights of the concerned refers. What is called conscientiousness. Okay. And the 11th question, unrestricted free personal involvement in all the steps of a project. What is this? Unrestricted free personal involvement in all the steps of the project is called moral autonomy. Okay, this is a definition. Okay, this is the definition for the moral autonomy. Sometimes the moral autonomy refers, this definition may be under what is called sections. Answer like this, choices. Okay, so here it's a definition given, and after that ask you to identify a keyword. Okay, the moral autonomy refers unrestricted free personal involvement in all the steps of the projects. Okay. And 12th question. So unrestricted free personal involvement in all the steps of projects is considering inspiration, guidance, support, deterrence, discipline, education, mutual, everything will come. So that also coming under what is called personal involvement. So inspiration, guidance, support. So that I selected, okay, all the above. So please understand, okay, two things. One is unrestricted personal, what is called involvement. Okay, so moral autonomy. Not only that, okay, the personal involvement in terms of inspiration, guidance, support, deterrence, discipline, education, mutual, and everything will come. So that I have selected, okay, that is all the above. And the 13th question, so ABET, okay, it is accreditation agency of USA. So ABET refers, okay, Accreditation Board of Engineering and Technology. Okay, so we may expect this question. And AAES refers. What is AAES? Okay, that is American Association of Engineering Societies. So these two agencies focusing experimental validity and quality outcome. Okay, so that's the reason why I have given both the abbreviations. And the 15th question, standards facilitates. For example, different IEEE standards and are there, and the numbers also given. What is the purpose of these standards? Interchangeability, yes, particular standard. For the standards, manufacturers can design new models so that interchangeability is possible. Accuracy in measurement is possible. Easy to handling is possible. Prevention of harms, it's okay. Decrease the production cost and everything coming under standard facilities. Because of standards, we can achieve everything. So we can select all the above is the correct answers. My dear students, so as a small unit, okay, I identified only that 15 questions and you master all the questions and understand the meaning of all what is called this answers, keywords, so that even that is university examination, if questions were twisted, you can give the correct answer. I hope within the 15 questions, the meanings, definitely that all the questions will come. Okay, if you have any doubt, watch these videos again and again to understand the concepts and okay, see what is called this MCQ questions and answers also, that will help you. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you are liking this video, please subscribe and like this channel also. My dear children, all the best. Perform well at university examination tomorrow. So I am not posting that is a 4th unit and 5th unit material. Okay, with this I would like to stop. So watch all the 3 videos thoroughly. Definitely it will help you to score very good mark. Thank you very much.